assessment today. Call now to power your life.
You're watching Canada's Weather Network. To help you plan your activities in the coming days, here are the short and long-term forecasts for your area. To upload your photos and videos, visit upload.theweathernetwork.com.
This local forecast has been brought to you by Wendy's Korean Barbecue Cheeseburger. Sweet, sour, savory, and spicy. A cheeseburger that satisfies every craving. Try it today.
You're not going to believe what's falling down this cliff in Italy. We'll begin, though, with that fireball blazing across the prairie sky. This was back on Monday, and the fireball buzzing over the prairies, temporarily piercing the dark and early morning sky with that blinding blue light. That spectacle was seen with scattered reports from Jasper to Saskatoon. Heavy snow and at times mixed with rain and strong winds created some poor visibility. This here is in Mount Pearl. 6 centimeters fell from St. John's to Gander, and you've got more snow and rain coming on Thursday. Almost 200 coffins floating in the sea near this Italian town after a landslide on Monday. The cemetery nearby is more
That's
than a
a
century
lot of
old,
coffins
and
on this
retrieving them will depend on sea conditions. Say what you want about the weather, but in Calgary, it's rarely boring. You get the west winds, you get the Chinook downsloping winds, those are warm. You get the east winds, those are upsloping. You get heavy snow. You've had 2 bouts of thunder snow this week. My goodness. So today we're just going to catch our breath and be a little bit